Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw rainbow butterfly. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Like and share this video. Let's draw her beautiful eyes. Let's decorate her wings. Let's make it more neat and prominent. Let's color together. We are using rainbow colors. Red color, red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, green color, blue color. This is light blue color. Let's color her face. We are using pink color. To color her little body, we are using green color. First blue color, then green color, now orange color, red color, and purple color. Let's color her wings. We are using purple color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Red color, orange color, blue color, green color, pink color, orange color, Subscribe for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.